Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Instead of a palette of the week this week, I am doing a full face of Korean makeup. I'm so excited. I love K-beauty, and if you've never been on this channel before, you wouldn't know, but I used to unbox boutique boxes, Facetory, I love K-beauty and K skincare so much, so I was so excited when STYLEVANA reached out to me and offered to send me some products to review, and they even offered me a discount code for you guys. I don't get any commission off of it. I don't think I do. It's just for you. I will have all their website links down below, but basically it's INF10HL, have it on the screen right here. It'll give you 10% off your entire order, an additional 15% off your order if your purchase amount exceeds $59 US, 75 Canadian dollars, 43 UK, is it pounds? 77 Australian dollars, or 48 euros. And I believe this discount code is good for 30 days, so you have a whole month to shop STYLEVANA at a discount if you want. And I'm so excited. I have tried these products and played with them and discovered how I best like to use them, so I'm really excited to show them to you. Let's just zoom in and jump into it. Alright, nice and zoomed in. The first product is the Moonshot Cushion Foundation. This one is the Glassy Fit Cushion, and I believe it has SPF 50, and it retails, oh, I have the box upside down this whole time. That's what it looks like. Yeah, it has SPF 50, and on their site it retails for $21, but it's on sale for $18.69. And not only is this box like super pretty and cute, and it says like just arrived and everything, but this cushion, oh my god, how beautiful is that? So pretty. This is the prettiest foundation I own by far. And then it has a little mirror, which I left the sticker on to keep me from blinding you, and this little cushion which you can put your fingers in here, and then you open it up to the product. And I have shade 301, which I believe is the darkest shade they offer on the site. Let me see really quick. Yeah, so they have 101, 201, and 301, so not a huge shade range, but you know, Korean beauty is pretty infamous for their terrible shade ranges, but this is 301, and even though it looks a little dark for me, it actually fits me pretty well. And I've tried this. I don't love it. I prefer to just use my regular damp sponge. So I'm just going to go in there and pat it on. I'm sorry if you can hear Luke next door. He's the next door neighbor's dog, and he's like a hound dog, and he howls and bays, and my window is right next to like the edge of the yard, so I think you might be able to hear him. I apologize. But yeah, that's good coverage with the sponge, and even though it's supposed to be their glassy foundation, I find that it actually settles down to a pretty like fairly matte finish, but it works really good even to conceal under eyes. So like I'm not gonna use concealer. I really like this foundation. I think it's a nice one, but I really find, and I don't know if you'll be able to notice it on camera, but I really find that no matter what I do, it kind of emphasizes my forehead lines. So that's something to keep in mind if you also are in your 30s or older and have lines. Like, I didn't even know I had a spot right there, and now it's popping out. But it might emphasize them, so just be aware of that. But I do think it's nice, and it makes my skin look really natural and pretty and perfected. It's just kind of emphasizing the lines. So the next product for the complexion, they gave me this McQueen New York cushion tint for lip and cheek, which looks like this, and I got the shade number 5 red, and I'm actually going to put this on my lips, not my cheeks, because, you know, I don't love this as a blush. It's a nice, like, lip tint. I enjoy it on the lips, but as a blush, I think it's hard to blend out, and it's like the red color is entirely too much for me. So that is what the lip and cheek tint looks like on my lips. And for the cheeks, I'm actually gonna take the lipstick that they sent, which I think is another McQueen New York product. Yes, it is the McQueen New York Air Kiss lipstick in the shade MLBB Rose. And I'm just going to have this be a rosy nude blush. If you've never used lipstick as cream blush, well, here's your sign to try it, because it works really well. See, look at that subtle flush. So pretty. I look like a clown. It'll look better, I promise. All right. The next product they gifted me is the McQueen New York My Strong Auto Eyebrow Pencil, and it's in the shade Gray Brown. It has a spoolie on one end, and then this kind of shape on the other end. And this is actually a pretty nice brow pencil. I think it's like really easy to blend and work with. I just wish they had like a slightly lighter color that I could have gone with, because this is definitely on the darker side for my brows. The next product they included was a waterproof gel eyeliner from McQueen New York. This is the Slim Shot eyeliner in deep brown. And oh my gosh, I haven't been telling you prices this whole time. I told you the price of the first one. Let me pause, rewind, tell you prices of the other products. Okay, so the cushion tint, the lip color is $8.29 full price, but on sale for $5.49 right now. The Air Kiss lipstick is originally $15.19, but it's on sale for $6.19 as I'm filming this video. I don't know how long the sale is gonna last, by the way. Hopefully by the time I get this video up, it is still going on, but originally $15.19. And then the brow pencil. So the McQueen New York eyebrow pencil is originally $10.99, on sale for $2.39 right now. Again, don't know when the sale's over. I apologize. And then the thing I was just about to talk about, the brow pencil, it is originally $11.89 but on sale for $4.79. So I'm just gonna take this and put this on my waterline and then smudge it out with my finger. And then they didn't include this, but I know they have these. Let me look them up. I already had this. They didn't include any eyeshadows, but I know they have the Etude House Look at My Eyes shadows. And it looks like they range, depending on what one you get, anywhere from like $4 to like $8. But this is the one I have. I got a while ago. It's just a gold shade. And I'm just gonna take that with my finger and put it all over the lid for a subtle sheen, and on the inner corner and in the brow bone. I don't do these one and done looks often, but I do enjoy them, and this is one of my go-to shadows for that. I love this Etude House shadow because it's so like subtle, but it makes an impact at the same time. And I'm also going to take a highlighter brush and dip into this shadow and just pop that on my cheeks for a little subtle shine, on my nose. Because you know I can't do a look without a highlight. So yeah, they have this on the site. I swear, even though they didn't send it to me, they have it on the site. So many different colors of it. It's available. You could get it. And then the last couple things they sent were a mascara and some lashes. So the lashes are the Idol Lash number 5 Daily Clear Line in brown right here. I've already worn them, tested them out. They're really nice, like subtle everyday lashes. Let me see how much they cost. So they're originally $4.99 and they are currently on sale for $3.99. I'm gonna pop these on real quick and then I'll be right back to put on the mascara. Okay, the lashes are on, and you know, I still struggled a little bit because lashes, I feel like they never get easier for me. But anyway, we are putting on mascara now. It is the McQueen Extreme Skinny Potent Cara. It retails for $11.89, but currently is on sale for $7.49. And it has literally the skinniest wand of any mascara I have ever used. I have become obsessed with this wand for my bottom lashes. Like, it gets so detailed and like it doesn't get all over my lower lash line. Do you see those lower lashes? So beautiful. So I'm just gonna marry my top lashes in. This is seriously the best thing for the lower lash line. But it's really nice when blending in with falsies too, because I feel like it really gets into every single lash. Alright, I don't have a kbeauty spray. I don't know if that's a huge thing, but they didn't send me one. So I'm just gonna put on my Catrice Dewy Setting Mist. Alright, so this is the finished full face of kbeauty. Again, thank you to STYLEVANA for sending these products my way. Let's do a recap of how I feel about all these products. So the Moonshot Glassy... Can I talk? The Moonshot Glassy Fit Cushion is nice. I like it. It's quick, it's easy, it has good coverage. Do I think it gives a glass finish? Not on its own. With this, yes. But if I had just let it set down on its own, I feel like it goes very matte on my dry skin. I don't like that there's only 3 shades. I think that's kind of a bummer, but if you're looking for a cushion foundation, something with decent coverage, SPF, that looks pretty on the skin, and you like pretty packaging, I say this is nice. And then the cheek and lip tint, the cushion tint from McQueen New York. This one, again, I don't like it on the cheeks. I think it's entirely too like thick on the cheeks and too pigmented. I just put like a slight dab on the back of my hand, and as you can see, it's not wanting to blend out. Like, it blended out a little, but it's like marked in the spot where I initially rubbed it. And this is my favorite brush for cream blushes, and it's not blending it out. So I don't like it as a blush, but as a lip, I love it. It's a beautiful lip. It's comfortable. It doesn't like get outside my lip line at all. Just doesn't really blend out on the cheeks very well. This lipstick, which is, I think, McQueen New York again. Yeah, the McQueen New York Air Kiss lipstick. This one is a beautiful rosy nude. It has that kind of like velvet blur look to it on the lips, and I really enjoy it on both the lips and the cheeks. I think it's a great lipstick. It works as a good rosy nude blush, and it's a beautiful nude lipstick. Let me just swatch the color for you so you guys can really see. It's so pretty, and it has like that soft blurred look, if you know what I mean. And then I think next was the brow pencil. The brow pencil is nice, and I definitely will be using this one a lot, especially since the one in my project pan just broke and I can't use it anymore. So I'm really glad to have this. I like it. And then the eyeliner. I love how skinny it is, and it's super pigmented. Like, it goes on really well. It's definitely my new favorite brown eyeliner I have in my collection, and I love brown eyeliner. And then these lashes, they're okay. I mean, they're not the best lashes I've ever worn, but they're not bad. And then this mascara, it is so great. I'm obsessed with it for the lower lash line, and it doesn't transfer, it doesn't smudge, it separates, it lengthens, it's beautiful. Love this mascara. So I think those were all the products. Of course, if you were curious about this product, I already own and have already reviewed. I'll let you know really quick. Love it. Highly recommend these. Look at my eyeshadows. Go get them. But anyway, my coupon code and all the links will be in the description if you want to shop from STYLEVANA and try some kbeauty. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.